This is the assembly video for the American-style VA30L vanity cabinet. This cabinet comes in two boxes, the U box and the C1. First, remove the frame from the C1 box and place it face down. Next, in the U box, you have two side panels, the back strength panels, the middle panel, the bottom panel, the drawer panel, top strength panel, the drawer box, the other drawer box, and the hardware box. Start by screwing the cam lock screws to the frame through the pre-drilled holes. Slide the side panel with the notch facing down on both sides. Place dowels and set the bottom panel. Now set your middle panel onto the cam lock screws as such. Screw cam lock screws to the back strength panels. And install them as such. Place dowels in the back strength panel and install. Now we can finally screw through the side panels to the bottom and middle strength panels. Finish screwing the rest of the panels. Place cam locks where needed and tighten them, securing the panels to the frame. Now stand your cabinet upright. Grab your door from the other box. Install hinges to the door via the pre-drilled holes. Now to install the door. Place cardboard spacers to make sure your door doesn't pinch and ensure the bottom is flush with the frame. Now screw the hinges to the frame. Now for the drawer glides. Screw the glide to the panel via these pre-drilled holes through the third hole on the glide in the front and back. Do the same for the top set of tracks as well. Next, we need to screw the drawer face to the drawer box. Make sure it's centered by measuring from each side. Pre-drill the drawer box, but remember, do not screw through the drawer face, and be careful with your bit. Then secure the box with screws. Attach the rest of the drawer box using a mallet, including sliding the bottom drawer panel, then installing the back drawer box. Now their drawers are built, we are ready to install them. Open this dial before you set your drawer. Place your drawer on the track and slide this hook into the back of the drawer. Finally, screw through the bottom of the glide into the box, securing it. And we're done. Here we have one American-style VA30L vanity cabinet ready for installation.